Journeys are even much farther and much farther away. So today I am particularly happy that I am seeing both Panna and Rajan because they both work with me in the office. Interesting thing about starting a school is like not knowing where to go, what to do, what to teach, how to teach, and for what we should teach. We don't know. He had come back then he had gone to USA, came back. And then the next question is, what is architecture about? What kind of building are we doing? What kind of environment are we talking? And what kind of future generation whom we can guide so that they can make a wonder out of our places. And every place can become a beautiful place to remember, to cherish, to encourage us. And this is really what Rajan did in a faraway place. Vasat, I just came and it was a long journey because there is nobody there, on that small lane that you come every day, back and forth. So what troubles, it must be to have all the people here who are the trustees to think about starting the school. Something, which has no monetary returns. If you start a management institute, it brings money, it brings prestige, it brings everything. But what do you do with starting a school of architecture? You only talk about bricks and cement. And so there is nothing much to talk about. But I think to convince trustees, get the land, find a place to, first of all, build, and then set up a school, and then have faculty to come here. Imagine this 20 years ago, how difficult it must be. I think one needs belief, one needs trust, one needs courage, one needs an open mind to accept every possible challenge and then start the school. And you have crossed 30 years, no? 18 years, so close to 20 years, 2 decades. And when I see all these young faces with enthusiasm and with this zest, that I think this is where we want to go, even though the journeys are long, the days are long, but then the joy that you get, you forget every pain that you go through. And I think this is what Rajan did. But when he came to the school, to the office, he was from IIT, extremely articulate, frank, and also a good critic. So, whenever we found some thesis students, in the School of Architecture, we asked him to come and scrutinize them, the jury, external jury. And very sharp, very critical, and very observant. When he went to Yale, I happened to be there, and then we both traveled and saw some architecture. But what is important is architecture really something that you can absorb immediately? Can you only imitate, or can you find the spirit of architecture? And I think if you ask Rajan to write down something about what is the spirit of architecture, what is the spirit of space, what is the spirit of volume and light and surfaces and textures, I think he would tell you a lot. Even Panna can talk to you about this. So I think we should try and meet them. And I hope that today's occasion has happened, which is so good that you have made this occasion. What I would suggest you is that do this often so that you get Professor Rajan and Panna here. So they also will feel wonderful about things. It will revitalize everything, the school as well as other faculty and everybody. And on this occasion, I wish all of you that such occasions you will continue, and you will have many guests and many people to come here and then talk to you about what architecture can be, how do you create your own world, how can you do something that you would like to go back again and again. Because architecture is a place where joys are there, celebrations are there. And I think the celebrations must happen. We have a tradition of celebrations anyway. Holidays are plenty. So you can always take a couple of more holidays and have these celebrations and get this couple here so that they will continue to guide all of you here on this occasion here in this campus. So thank you first of all for making all the trouble with all my inconsistencies, because of all my peculiarities about travel, this, that, etc. I gave a lot of trouble to the students and the volunteers who came. But finally I'm here, my daughter is here, and we are enjoying, and I'm so glad that Rajan and Panna are here also. So maybe this occasion should not be the end, it should be the beginning. And thank you.